Fourth?
These are really pretty.
Forgive me. Okay, we got the eggs.
I got eggs up here.
Okay, let's get some feed.
Here, chick.
Welcome back, y'all. It is Monday. It is lunchtime. I'm getting some tortilla shells. We're gonna make some more of those fold wraps. We made some pizza ones. Was it last week? Last week or the week before, we made those little pizza fold over wrap things, and then we just cooked both sides of them. We're gonna do that with some turkey today. We might be going with lettuce instead of spinach. I think that I put the other spinach I had in the freezer the other day because it was going bad, but I thought I had a new bag. We're having lunch a little bit later today. It's 12:45 or 12:46. Y'all, I just got a not very exciting letter in the mail. I have to go to jury duty. I've never been called to serve before. I feel like Aunt B in the episode where she got called to jury duty. Like, my heart is still beating really fast. It's about a month away, so I'm not gonna panic. Let me know in the comments, have you ever been on a jury before? I mean, I did in school, you know, as pretend. We did this big pretend court case and everything, and I was on the jury for that. It wasn't real. So, okay, for these wraps, let me bring over my little cutting board here. Roosty is out there just crowing away. So we cut the slit all the way to the middle. Now we'll put some turkey. Jonah likes mustard on his, so let me grab the mustard real quick. Pepper jack cheese for him, mayonnaise over here, and lettuce. Now we fold this up this way and this way. Okay, here's Jonah's. Sissy wants lettuce, cheese, turkey, and mayonnaise?
Yeah.
Okay, lettuce, cheese, turkey, and mayonnaise. And you just want mozzarella, right? Some celery, and I'm gonna use a couple of these little silicone cupcake liners. Which one was Sissy's? This one's Jonah's, okay. And we're gonna put some cantaloupe and blueberries in here. Here's Jonah's, Sissy. Now for Manly's, because these are the really big tortilla shells, I'm just gonna cut it in half. And we'll spread some peanut butter on here. When Jonah and Sissy finish up with their seat work after lunch, we're gonna go to Walmart. They have some money that they wanna spend, and I have a few things I need to get, a few things I wanna look at. Haven't been in Walmart in quite some time. I think it was right after Christmas when I went to get those bins to put the Christmas stuff in. I might have gone a time or two after that, but I can't remember. I know they were already putting out some Valentine's stuff then, but I didn't look at it when we went that time. It was too soon. Okay, now it's time to look at the Valentine's Day stuff. I mean, I can see why the hazelnut spread is right here with the Valentine's Day stuff, you know? Yeah. Chocolate chicken wings. So, yeah, there's that. Little Pop-It toys with gumballs inside. Giant stuffies everywhere. Look at the sloth. They even have dinosaurs, koalas. Oh, look. It's a peacock stuffy. Isn't that cute? Some of y'all have just about talked me out of getting the baby peacock if I can find one, because y'all said they are so loud. I don't know. We might can get this one just like walking around the yard. Yeah, peacocks are really loud. This is so cute. Those are pretty. It's a little mini chocolate dipping pot. Oh wait, not the hedgehog. Oh look, these are light up hearts. Pretty. They have pink and red. These are cute with a little button. And they have some really pretty kitchen towels. I really like these. Cute little pillow. What are these? Oh, peel and stick things for the windows. Tic-tac-toe game. Oh, look, a little dining set. What does this come with? Looks like it comes with, okay, a runner, placemats, and napkins. Cute. I don't know how much they are. Price it and right. The price it and right. Like the price is right. Okay, she didn't get it. Now that right there would hold some coffee. Okay, we've got some cookie kits. This is a giant chocolate cookie kit, sugar cookies, all little mini Mickey and Minnie Mouse cookies, Oreo heart cookies, and then this one just has 2 cookies in it. Lots of sprinkles, treat boxes, treat bags. Oh look, here's Rice Krispie treat making kit. Heart-shaped bump pan, silicone hearts, light up heart sippy cup, a whole Valentine's party kit for just $14.98. Be My Valentine Charlie Brown. These are pretty. Look at that pretty microwave. They have these blue ones and gray. I think that's gray and white. And then a darker, or I guess that's the blue one down there. The matching air fryer. These are really pretty. Piggy cup. Tumblers everywhere. I have that one right there. I've had it for about a year. I really like it. I wish this cow one had a handle. The little ones do, or if they could just have a cow on them. I like the cow. I like the animals on them. You thirsty, sissy? It's as big as your head. It's a piggy fragrance warmer. Cute. I don't see any of the new creamers y'all been telling us about. I can't find them anywhere. I'm just gonna go with Old Faithful here. All right, y'all, we are back home. I'm gonna show y'all the stuff that I picked out from Walmart. Manny's eyeing these yogurts. You want one? There you go. Okay, I got some dishcloths. I forgive you. He's watched a couple of episodes of The Man from Snowy River with us, and you know, they say forgive me, like instead of I'm sorry, you know, they'll say forgive me.
Now it's all wet.
We'll change your shirt. Finish your yogurt and then we'll change it, okay? Okay, I can't quit laughing, y'all. Forgive me. Okay, I got some dishcloths, 2 packs of these kitchen towels. These are really pretty. I like how this one just has the little gold heart, and then this one has the white heart, and then the other one looks like that. Is it a 2-pack? Yeah, they're 2 packs. I got some mango bubblies because I was out of sparkling water. Some Dunkin' Extra Extra. They didn't have any of the new creamers. I'm telling y'all, our stores are the last ones to get the new creamers around here. And then of course the Yoplait whips, some soap, razors, and all the boys, Titus, Jacob, and Tyler, were all running low on their Squatch soap. They love these Dr. Squatch soaps, and all of them were starting to run low on the ones that they got back at Christmas time. So I grabbed a couple of bars. I got the Cedar Citrus, and this one, it's a Star Wars one, Only Hope soap, but it smells really good. I think they'll really like that one. And then they had some clearance going on clothes. I got this shirt for Tyler. It was on clearance for $9. This shirt for Sissy was on clearance. I think it was $8. Yeah, this one was $8, and then I got this shirt for Manly. It wasn't on clearance, but it has these cute little sharks on the pocket. Well, I mean, they actually look kind of scary, but it's cute that they're on the pocket. So I got him that one and another pair of pants because this boy wears some pants out playing outside, y'all. They had some of the girls' leggings on clearance for $3, so I got Sissy this pink pair. These 2 back here weren't on clearance, but they're just really cute. We have a green pair there, and then these are just like a kind of a dark pink with flowers on them. They look purple. This is like, the lighting is crazy in here. These look kind of purple on camera, but they're, anyway. Then I got her these. They have hearts and smiley faces on them, and they say love. And I got her these 2 shirts. This one, it's kind of a tan color and it has a little flower here. And the shirt up under it, it's like a little tank top that says make today amazing. And then this one has lots of flowers, and then I think it's just the same thing on the tank top. Yeah, more flowers. So those were my Walmart finds. Oh yeah, I was also gonna look at the women's clothes, see what they had going on over there, because I've been seeing some people get some really cute sweaters with a heart on them. I think they're like red with a white heart, or are they white with a red heart? Anyway, cute Valentine sweaters. But I completely forgot to look at the women's section. All right, I'm gonna put this stuff up and then we're going outside for a little bit. I don't have to cook supper this evening because we have lots of chicken and rice left over. So that's what's gonna be for supper tonight. Leftovers, or find something you want. Is this like the third one you've had of these?
Fourth.
Fourth? He loves these remote control helicopters. They're not very expensive, which is a good thing because, like he said, this is his fourth one. One landed in the pond. One got stuck up in a tree at the neighbor's house, and then when they were redoing some stuff over there, like were they cutting down trees, I think? They were cutting down limbs or something. They found that helicopter. Did it still work?
No.
Okay, it didn't work anymore. But they found a helicopter. I think we told y'all about that when that happened. The people who were working over there found the helicopter and saw the kids playing, and they came over and asked if it was his, and he was like, yep. The ceiling fan was on one day when he was flying the other one, and it broke his propellers off. But yeah, this is number 4. Let's see if we can make this one last a little while longer. What do you think? We definitely don't need a coat this evening, Manny. It's been a warm one today. There it is.
Yeah.
Oh, got some water.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
But I got some more.
There we go. That's good.
Mama, it's all wet.
That's okay.